2024 became a landmark year for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin smashed through $100,000 mark to hit all-time highs at 108,000, surging 130%. The crypto market capital also hit an all-time high of $3.9 trillion. Well, the year 2024 started on a higher note with launch of Bitcoin ETFs, which gave easy access to individuals and institutional investors without the complexities of wallets and private keys, accumulating more than $110 billion worth inflows. Ethereum also did not lag too far behind, with ETF inflows above $2.7 billion, making its place in decentralized finance. Institutional investors now own nearly 20% of all Bitcoin ETFs traded in the US. And then it was also about Bitcoin halving, an event that happens every 4 years. It leads to reduction in block rewards by 50%, lowering the supply of Bitcoins. It was also then that the rally took wings with the US President-elect Donald Trump pro-crypto stance. He has pledged to make US the crypto capital of the world. He also suggested US Bitcoin reserve, and there also was a discussion of using Bitcoin as potential tool to repay the US debt. Trump also has nominated Paul Atkins, who is a known crypto advocate, to succeed Gary Gensler as the US SEC chair, which the crypto bulls have cheered, expecting favorable regulations going forward. The Russian President Vladimir Putin recently said that no one can prohibit Bitcoin, showing support for cryptocurrencies. The approach from Poland, Italy, and even China showed signs of revisiting previous critical policies. After El Salvador, countries like Tonga, Paraguay, Panama are also considering adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender. The cryptos also are taking support from wider adoption of real-world assets. The stablecoins are also emerging as payment tools for enterprise businesses. The year 2024 also had its share, though, of frauds, hacks, and rug pulls. The sector lost nearly $2.3 billion this year in frauds, though lower than the last year. The names that went through issues this year was WazirX, Radiant Capital, DMM Bitcoin, among others. While the Bitcoin grabbed the spotlight, altcoins also delivered significant returns. Tokens like Solana, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano all reached all-time highs, while the lesser-known altcoins like Palm AI and Mantra surged anywhere between 10,000 to 20,000%. Well, in the past year, meme coin market capital also was in favor, with market cap now at $113 billion, led by Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as per CoinGecko data. 2025 shows a lot of promise for cryptocurrencies and blockchain as a technology, and the markets have put even higher targets for Bitcoin for 2025, with Standard Chartered and Bernstein now expecting $200,000 per Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, in the meanwhile, expects Bitcoin to rise 29% per annum over the next 21 years. But remember, it's a volatile space with significant risks. With so much unknown about projecting its future returns, it's always pays to be cautious. Thank you for watching CNBC TV18. For all top headlines and updates, follow us on our social media platforms.